when the solar panels create electricity, it goes through a meter. The meter is hooked up to the Hydro One's grid, so the power gets put on the grid. And then what happens is we get instead of a bill, we get a check at the end of the month. So every month for every project, we'll get a check that we use to pay all the costs. So when you put a project on this scale, there's a lot of costs, but we know what they are because there's been lots of projects put in. We have the thing very closely calculated. We know how much the panels are going to decline over the years, so we've incorporated all that. And so what happens is that money goes in and is pooled. So where people get their money back is through the investment. So when you've bought a bond, we basically pay interest on the bond, and then you get your money back at the end of it. So it's more the energy dollars that stay in the community. So when those bondholders have money, they've got more money to spend in their community or reinvest, and so it just increases the financial level of activity in the community. So we've got 10 projects. The first project we're going to develop is the one on the Earlton Arena roof, so that's the most visible one. And the other ones are just a matter of two or three kilometers north of Englehart, and there's a road called Jack Pine Road, and the 45,000 volt line travels along that, and all the sites are along there. So you can take your kids out on a Saturday afternoon and say, here's where your money is. It's running these power plants, and we own pieces of these power plants.